Caleb here of Cosas Outdoors, and today we're going deep in the Appalachian Mountains and we're going to hike and see a beautiful waterfall. Follow along with me. From my understanding, it should just be like a mile hike, so it shouldn't be too bad. But like everything on this channel, things always go wrong, so we'll see if it's a mile. Man, this is nice. Look how tall that rock is. We're in the heart of it, baby. I don't know how far we've hiked. Couldn't have been a mile. I'm not sure where these waterfalls are though. So something we're gonna have to figure it out. That is just magnificent. Woo! That makes it all worth it. Look at that. Listen to that roar. That's a beautiful waterfall. And man, that was a rough climb to get down here. And that's on this channel we always get beautiful sights. And it doesn't cost anything to come out here. Maybe gas driving out here. But all you do is, a brisk little 1 mile hike and you get to see beautiful views like this. That's free. Man, that's beautiful. See if we can get closer.